Hey friends, this is Becca, and I just wanted to come on today and talk about something that I've been thinking about and going through for almost a year at this point. I've been doing a transformation with my body, but what is interesting about us as humans is that even though we might be focusing on one particular aspect of our life or our body, um, we are all connected, right? And so when you focus on the one thing, whatever that is for you, and that's where your energy is flowing, almost magically, all of the other parts of your life start to come into focus and shifting and conspiring to what it is that you want to elevate. So I say all of that to say that the thing I've been focusing on this past year has been still kind of twofold. The majority of it was about how I was feeling about my body and how I was going around in the world. And the other thing was then focusing on my work-life balance with building businesses and at the same time going back to working with the kids so that my passion's what I find joy in. So with that, having said that, the big transformation that's truly happened that I can see and feel has happened within my own body this year. So I've been on a journey to transform my body to feel more like me again. Ultimately, that's all it is just to feel like me inside of this vessel that I've been blessed with. And now, as part of that journey, this next step is learning more about how can I make this vessel, this machinery, work more efficiently for longevity. And one of the ways that I know that this is possible is through having more muscle mass. It seems like a small thing, but it is linked to so much in our health. And right now, you're lucky because this woman who I've recently been introduced to, Holly Perkins, is doing a 3-day workshop. She's already done 1 day, but there's still a replay of it, so you can still catch up. You're not behind. She's doing the second one today and the third one on Thursday. And she offers approximately 90 minutes for each of these sessions, but then she will go off camera and she will stay there until everybody's questions are answered, and or if it's something that's going to come up in the next session, she'll be like, hey, hold on to this question, see if it gets answered, and then we can address it after that one if it does not at that point. She's a wealth of information. She over delivers, and I just hope that you take a moment to jump on and listen to what she has to say, because it's going to be very helpful in wherever you are in your life, especially if you're in this like midlife zone like I am. So it's really going to be incredible to hear the rest of it. I know that this is long-winded. I apologize, but I'm very excited about it. And I just wanted to share that with you. And I hope to see you there today. And if not today, there's still Thursday. So jump on, click the link, add your name on so that you can get the information. It'll be today at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that's the, West Coast in America. So same time as like Los Angeles and everything else along the coast. So I hope to see you guys there. And that's really all I have to say about that. All right. Bye for now.